Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Home Depot. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in homedepot.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Home Depot website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to delete your account, just click on the Me icon at the top right and then click on Profile. Now within the profile page, you will see your personal details section. If you scroll all the way down from this page, you will see the Close Account button. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked to choose a reason for deleting your account. Choose whichever reason is suitable for you from the drop-down menu and then click on the checkbox to proceed with your account deletion. Finally, click on the Close Account button, and now you will be logged out from your account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. After this step, wait for at least 3 days until your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Home Depot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.